The National Basketball Players Association, or NBPA, is a labor union that represents professional basketball players in the National Basketball Association, or NBA. The NBPA started regulating and certifying player agents in the mid-1980s, leading to antitrust accusations in Collins versus NBPA and Grantham. In response to players complaining about agents abusing their power, the NBPA passed the regulations governing player agents. First, the regulations required player agents to sign a standardized contract, generally limiting their fees. Second, the regulations set forth a code of conduct, which prohibited agents from bribing players to choose their services. The code also prohibited agents from engaging in unlawful, dishonest conduct or in other conduct reflecting poorly on their fitness to represent players. Third, the regulations required agents to be certified by the NBPA and established a process for certification. Any agent whose application was rejected could appeal through arbitration. After passing the regulations, the NBPA reached an arm's-length collective bargaining agreement with the NBA. Notably, Article 31 of the agreement prohibited the NBA member teams from partaking in individual salary negotiations with any agents who weren't certified by the NBPA. The same year the regulations took hold, Thomas Collins, who represented the iconic player Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, became certified. Later, after Abdul-Jabbar sued him for numerous fiduciary breaches, Collins allowed his certification to lapse. The lawsuit eventually settled, at which point Collins applied for recertification. The NBPA's Committee on Agent Representation, co-chaired by Charles Grantham, launched an extensive, informal investigation into Collins's application and problematic dealings with Abdul-Jabbar before deciding not to recertify him. Instead of appealing to an arbitrator, Collins sued the NBPA and Grantham in federal district court in Colorado. Specifically, Collins claimed that the NBPA regulations violated federal antitrust laws because they amounted to a group boycott against him and represented a bid to monopolize representation of professional basketball players. The NBPA filed a motion for summary judgment seeking to dismiss the lawsuit.